This Premier Realty Grays Harbor property video is presented by MaryG. Red light special on aisle 5. Spacious single-family residence in need of some cosmetic repairs. The house appears strong with a newer roof put on in 2015 and real wood flooring hiding under the green shag carpet. Located in a nice well-kept neighborhood, near parks and schools. Fine print, limited to stock on hand, only one offer will be accepted, walk don't run. For more information, review the details below or contact MaryG at 360-533-1900.